Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Is this the right hotel?
Yes, it looks like it.
Did you find the email?
Yeah, I have it here.
Check the dates again, please.
2 nights, Alex. Don't worry.
Is the reservation for us?
Yes, under my name, Chloe.
Wait, what time is it?
It's exactly 3 o'clock.
Perfect. Check-in starts now.
Actually, look at the line.
It's a bit long.
Well, we can wait here.
Do you have your ID?
I do. It's in my bag.
Should I hold the bags?
Yes, please. They are heavy.
Are you excited for Miami?
Yes, very excited.
The beach is so close.
I know. I can smell it.
Is the room ready yet?
Let's ask the clerk now.
I'll stay here with bags.
Okay, I'll be back soon.
Don't forget the breakfast coupons.
Right. Good point, Alex.
Do we get free Wi-Fi?
I hope so. Let's see.
Did they mention the pool?
No, I'll ask about it.
Wait, did you see that?
What? See what?
The sign says free coffee.
Oh, nice. Grab me one?
I'll go after we check in.
Fair enough. Smiles.
Do you need my credit card?
No, I used mine online.
Okay, the line is moving.
Finally, excited.
Get a high floor, Chloe.
I'll try my best, Alex.
And a view of the ocean?
That might cost more.
Just ask. It's only 2 nights.
Okay, I'll ask.
Is the elevator over there?
Yes, near the big plant.
Got the keys?
Not yet, almost there.
The lobby is very loud.
It's a busy weekend, Alex.
I'm ready for a nap.
Me too. Let's hurry.
Wish us luck with the room.
Fingers crossed.
Is this the 4th floor?
Yes, room 402.
Where is the room, Chloe?
It's down this way.
These bags are so heavy.
We are almost there, Alex.
Is it on the left?
No, it's on the right.
I think I see it.
401, 402.
Try the key card now.
Wait, it's flashing red.
Try it again, slowly.
Okay. Green now.
Wow, this room is huge.
And look at the view.
Is that the Vegas Strip?
Yes, it's so bright.
Where should I put these?
Just put them on the bed.
Wait, don't sit yet.
Why not? I'm tired.
Check for the minibar first.
Oh, you're right.
Is there any free water?
Let me check the desk.
I only see expensive snacks.
Classic Vegas hotel.
Should we call room service?
No, it's too expensive.
Is there a coffee machine?
Yes, over in the corner.
Can you make me some?
Sure, just a minute.
The bed looks very soft.
It is. Hey, we have plans, Chloe. Just 5 minutes, please.
Fine, 5 minutes only.
Thank you, Alex. Whispers.
Is the Wi-Fi working?
I don't know the password.
Check the little paper card.
Oh, here it is. Guest.
What is the room number?
Alex, it's on the door.
Right, 402.
You are very forgetful.
I'm just tired from driving.
I know. You did great.
Do we have extra towels?
I see 2 in bathroom.
Should I call for more?
Maybe later. Not now.
Is the AC too cold?
A little bit. Turn it up.
Better?
Yes, much better. Thanks.
Ready for our 2 nights?
Yes, let's enjoy Vegas.
Where should we go first?
The park is nearby, right?
The map says 3 blocks.
That's not too far.
Should we walk or taxi?
Let's walk, it's sunny.
Wait, I'm hungry again.
Already? We just ate breakfast.
I need a small snack.
There is a bagel shop.
Is it on the street?
Yes, just around the corner.
Do they have cream cheese?
Alex, it's New York.
Right, silly question.
Yes, very silly.
What about the museum later?
It closes at 5, right?
Let me check the website.
Okay, does it need tickets?
Yes, we should buy them.
Can we buy them online?
I'm checking. Yes, we can.
Perfect. Get 2 for today.
Done. We are all set.
Great. Now the bagel shop?
Lead the way, Chloe.
Follow me. Don't get lost.
Is the park safe today?
Yes, many people are there.
Can we rent some bikes?
That sounds like fun.
Is it expensive to rent?
I think it's $20.
For 1 hour or 2?
I think for 2 hours.
Okay, that is a deal.
Wait, do you have water?
No, let's buy some bottles.
There is a cart there.
$2? That's too much.
It's a tourist area, Alex.
Fine, here is the money.
I'll go buy them. Wait.
Don't be long, okay?
I'll be very fast.
Wait, is it raining?
Just a few drops.
Should we go back?
No, it will stop soon.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, look at the sun.
Okay, I trust you.
Good. Let's go.
The bagels smell so good.
I can smell them too.
Is that the shop there?
Yes, the blue one.
Are you ready to order?
I'm not sure yet.
The pasta looks very good.
I want something lighter.
How about the chicken salad?
That sounds better for me.
I think I'll have steak.
Again? You had steak yesterday.
But it's our vacation, Chloe.
Okay. Enjoy.
Do you want some wine?
Just a glass of red.
I'll have a beer then.
Which one do you want?
The local one. It's cheap.
Is it good though?
I hope so. Nervous laugh.
Let's ask the waiter.
He is coming now. Ready?
Yes, you order first.
I'll have the steak, please.
And the salad for me.
Medium rare for the steak?
Yes, please. Thank you.
That was easy.
You were so nervous, Alex.
I hate ordering in restaurants.
But your English is good.
Thanks. I'm trying my best.
Well, you are doing great.
Look at that couple there.
The ones with the cake?
Yes. Is it their birthday?
Maybe it's an anniversary.
Like us? Our 2 nights?
Well, it's just a trip.
A very romantic trip, though.
Yes, it is.
I love this little place.
Me too. It's very quiet.
Wait, where is our food?
It's only been 10 minutes.
I am just very hungry.
Have some bread. It's free.
The butter is so hard.
Wait for it to melt.
Okay. Oh, look, food.
Finally, it looks delicious.
Is your salad okay, Chloe?
Yes, it's very fresh.
The steak is perfect.
I'm glad you like it.
Do you want a bite?
No, thanks. I'm happy.
Are you sure it's good?
Okay, just a small bite.
Here, use my fork.
You're right. It's good.
Do we have everything, Alex?
I think so. Check bathroom?
I already checked it twice.
What about the phone chargers?
They are in my bag.
Okay, good. Let's go down.
Wait, the bed is messy.
It's okay. They will clean.
Should we leave a tip?
Yes, for the cleaning staff.
How much should I leave?
$5 is fine.
Okay, I'll put it here.
Great. Now we are ready.
Did you enjoy our stay?
Yes, it was very relaxing.
2 nights is too short.
I agree. Next time.
Next time, let's stay longer.
Maybe a whole week?
That would be very expensive.
We can save money, Alex.
True. Let's find the desk.
There is a short line.
Should we use express checkout?
How does that work?
We just leave the keys.
In that little box there?
Yes, it's faster that way.
But I want the receipt.
They will email it, Chloe.
Are you sure?
Yes, that's how it works.
Okay, let's do that then.
Wait, did you see this?
What, is there a mistake?
The parking fee is high.
Oh, I forgot.
$30 per night?
That is standard for LA.
Well, we have no choice.
It's fine, don't be mad.
I'm not mad, just surprised.
Let's just pay and go.
Where is the car, Alex?
It's in the parking garage.
Is it on level 1?
No, it's on level 2.
I'll wait here with bags.
Okay, I'll bring the car.
Don't get lost in there.
I won't. See you.
Drive safe, honey.
I will. Be right back.
I'm checking my phone now.
The receipt just arrived.
See? I told you so.
You are right, as always.
Ready for the drive home?
Yes, let's go home, Alex.